Welcome to another new video tutorial. Today I will show you how you can easily make beautiful color adjustments to an image with just a few clicks. As we see in the picture, a red-yellow affected photo has a beautiful color tone. So begin, we will open this photo. To reduce the contrast of the entire picture, I used the contrast reducer tool. I will merge again. Next we remove shadows from skin. Click once on this tool. I will take a flattened image once more. Removing the shadows once more, then you can see that the saturation has decreased a lot. I used the matte filter tool to add skin color to the dark areas of the image's skin. I toggled the visibility of the layer. I will merge again. To enhance the color vibration, I will click once on the color restore button. To maintain the HDR look of the image, Quick HDR is a one-click tool. So friends can understand that in less time and with less effort, I edited this picture. You can check out more videos on photo adjustments on our channel. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like. Everyone will be fine. Thank you.